It's not been a very pleasant day so far down the east coast of England. Some fairly frequent and quite heavy showers. Another one at the moment just coming in across Norwich. You can see a little bit of blue sky beyond the cathedral, but further showers to come, I think, over the next few hours. Those showers extending all the way up the east coast as far as the North York Moors. They're going to continue to feed down through these areas, perhaps a little bit wintry at times across the North York Moors themselves, and down into the Yorkshire and Lincolnshire wolds. Elsewhere, though, a fine afternoon for most of us. There'll be some sunshine around. The clouds, though, thickening up all the time across Northern Ireland, and eventually some rain coming in here, I think, towards the end of the day. A fairly chilly afternoon, too, particularly in the Scottish Glens, where some temperatures staying around freezing right the way through, but 7 or 8 probably about the best that most of us are going to see in the next few hours. Out to the west, though, we have got an area of cloud beginning to push in. That's going to bring some rain eventually into more western areas during the course of tonight and into tomorrow. But as that weather system comes in, it's going to be slowing up all the time and eventually getting stuck across the Irish Sea by the middle of the week. And that's the way things look, in fact, into the second half of the week as well. Ahead of that cloud and rain, though, a fairly widespread frost tonight. Temperatures as low as -4 in many areas. Not particularly frosty to start within these eastern parts, but here too, I think, a frost by the end of the night. So with all that moisture around from the showers, some icy patches to watch out for. Cloud and rain, though, beginning to push in across at Northern Ireland, as I say, later on today. That'll turn fairly heavy for a time during the second half of the night, and eventually arriving over more western parts of Wales, southwest England, into western Scotland, eventually through into tomorrow morning, and that falling as snow, perhaps above 300 metres or so across the Welsh mountains, up into southwest Scotland, the Galloway Hills, perhaps getting a covering of snow just for a while. That rain very slow moving, though, edging a little bit further across towards the Midlands through the course of the afternoon. Many places to the east of that, though, staying dry, and certainly looks like a better day for most parts of East Anglia. Pretty chilly again, though, with a strengthening southerly wind, 5 or 6, the best we're going to see for most places, staying chilly into the second half of the week as well. That's the weather. Bye for now.